Hi kids, good evening. Today we are going to see a story on Aladdin and the Wonderful Lamp, a story told in the book of Arabian Nights, a story of Jinn and the old magic lamp in the world, lost in a cave. How it comes out? Come, I will tell you how the Jinn came out from the lamp. Aladdin is a poor village grown up boy who always spends time with the street children and does no work. One day, a stranger, a wicked magician, saw Aladdin. He had an idea of using him for his magic works. He went to him and said that he is maternal uncle come from the distant land. I have come here to take you. I spoke to your mom. She asked to take you along with me. But Aladdin refused. Wicked magician tempted him with sweets and chocolates and took along with him. Wicked magician took Aladdin to a beautiful garden and asked to spend the day in the garden. Aladdin played in the garden and enjoyed variety of fruits. Next morning, the wicked magician took Aladdin to a mountain cave in a tunnel and he asked Aladdin to go inside and bring the old lamp which he lost long back ago. Aladdin was scared and refused. The wicked magician gave him one magic ring to wear. He said that it will show you the old lamp. After wearing the ring, Aladdin bravely went inside the tunnel and found the old beautiful lamp. The wicked magician asked Aladdin to throw the lamp up. Aladdin said, "No, no, it may break. I will come out and give you." Aladdin just rubbed the dust deposited on the lamp. Immediately, what happened? Jinn appeared before him. Aladdin got scared and falls down unconsciously. The wicked magician got angry and closed the tunnel with a stone slab and went away. After some time, Aladdin regained consciousness. Jinn said, "Thank you for releasing me from the lamp. I am your servant. What can I do for you? Don't get scared. The wicked magician wanted me as a slave. You have saved me." Aladdin is happy to hear the friendly voice of Jinn. He asked him to take to his house. Jinn said, "Yes, master. Close your eyes." Aladdin closed his eyes. Within a minute, Jinn, along with Aladdin, reached his home. Jinn asked to open his eyes. Aladdin opened his eyes. He was surprised to see he in his own house. He said, "I'm very hungry. Get me some food for me and my mom." Immediately, Jinn appeared with all variety of foods in a plate before them. Aladdin's mom got scared of Jinn. Aladdin said, "Don't get scared, mommy. He's a very good friend of mine." Aladdin explained about the story happened with wicked magician. Then mommy understood and she was happy. Mommy asked Aladdin to change this old house into a beautiful palace. Aladdin ordered a slave. Aladdin ordered Jinn, change this whole house into a beautiful palace. Jinn said, "Yes, master." One day, Aladdin saw from his palace a beautiful daughter of a king. He wanted to marry that beautiful princess. Princess also saw new palace and Aladdin in the new palace. Aladdin asked Jinn to give beautiful gold and diamond jewelry for the princess. Aladdin got the same from Jinn. Aladdin's mother took the ornaments and went to the king's place to present the jewels for the princess. Aladdin's mom presented all the jewels and ornaments to the king and informed him about the marriage proposal. King was very happy to accept the marriage proposal. He, in a grand way, arranged the marriage. Wicked magician one day looked at his magical crystal ball and got angry. In the magic crystal ball, the magician saw Aladdin and Princess living together happily. Magician saw Aladdin and Princess sailing on a boat in a lake. He planned to get that magic lamp from Aladdin at any cost. Wicked magician went to the Aladdin palace as an old item purchase vendor. The innocent princess sold it that magical lamp. The wicked magician, with his wicked magical spell, kidnapped princess as well as that magic lamp. Aladdin lost his palace, wealth, and also the magical lamp. He went in search of wicked magician and found in far off distant garden. He met princess and asked her to give the sleeping wine to the magician so that he can acquire the lamp. Princess gave nice sleeping drink to the magician. He drank all and fell in deep sleep. Aladdin went into the room and took the princess and magic lamp. He rubbed the lamp to escape. Jinn appeared before him. Aladdin asked him to take back to his home and convert it as a palace. Jinn asked Prince and Aladdin to sit on his back and close his eyes. Jinn happily took them back to the palace. Aladdin told the princess all about the magic lamp and asked her to keep it safe. At last, both princess and Aladdin happily lived together. Okay, children, bye.